Hello everyone, this is Shirley from IQ and Q-NEX. We are in ISE 2026. This year we bring our latest lecture capture system, LCS810, to the fair. It's for class recording and live streaming. It's including a video station, 15.6 inch, and then including 2 cameras, one for capturing the teacher, one for capturing the students, for both panorama view and close-up view, and also including 2 silly mics and 1 mixer. It can capture 4 sources for the camera, and also the teacher's courseware can be recorded through the HDMI in. Or the teacher can choose anything to record it. Only one click, they can start recording or live streaming to the YouTube or Facebook. It's very easy for the handling. Okay, if you want to know more information, just visit our website, iqboard.net. Thank you.